Oo, hindi ko talaga namamalayan na na-knock-out ako. Kaya, hoy, yun din yung reason ha, kung bakit hindi ako talaga nag-aano, hindi talaga ako nainom. Kasi sa medisina pa nga lang, knock-out talaga ako. Paano pa kaya sa ano, sa alak na pampatulog talaga yun? Kasi na-try ko na talaga, like dati, kita ta, dala ko, Diyos ko ka. Hindi ko, ano yun be? Kaya nga, oo, kaya nga hindi ako padalos-dalos sa ibang lugar eh. Tapos hindi din ako padalos-dalos sa iniinom or inaano, like, kinakain, ganun. Pag hindi ko talaga, dito lang ako, busy ako. Go lang. Hello, Larry. Mm. Oh, seryoso ah. Si Verino baka naman may pa one star ka dyan ah. Ba't parang lagi siyang merong bala? Indigo! Hello! How are you, Indigo? Guys, ipatap-tap nyo naman. Bigyan nyo ako 100 top. Ay, 100 heart. It's been a long time. Indigo. Oo. Ay, top, hindi loyalty. Hello, Eve. Hello, how are you? Isaac, hello. I guess Isaac is mad at me. Are you mad at me? Uy, lag ba ako? Masyado ba akong lag? Or hindi? Hello? Are you okay? Hindi ko mahanap yung ano ko, yung... I don't get mad. Just passing by to say hi. Oh, okay. I hope you guys are doing good. Yup. And I'm not feeling well. And I'm not doing good. Please. Why? What happened? I get sick. I get sick again. I thought my November is my lucky month, but this December is my bad and not lucky month. Masyado kang masarap at the same time. Seryoso. Really? Oh, I told you guys, I'm per month I get sick. Like always, I have coughed and colds. Yes. Are you feeling better now? Yes. I drink my meds earlier, but my tolerance in medications are very low. I feels like every time I drink meds, it makes me dizzy and feel sleep. Yes. Tama ba ako? Tama ako, di ba? Yun na yun. If only you would listen. I always do. My, but my, but my my daily routine can't. And I always sleep very late. Have ginger tea regularly. It boosts your. You know, I drink ginger tea. It's salabat here. It's called salabat. Ay, totoo ako, di ba? Salabat.